Welcome back to my channel. Okay, in today's video I'm working on a stiff industrial sewing machine. As you can see, the sewing machine is stiff, it's not rotating. So first off, I'm going to show you what actually caused the stiffness. Now as you can see, this is a thread. Now the thread gathered inside the engine, and that's how it got stuck. So the engine is actually what got the machine to stuck, and what got the engine to stuck is thread that got inside the engine. So make sure you watch closely as I'm going to free it. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, like this video and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to get notified anytime I post a new video. First of all, I'll be taking this off. I'll take this off so that the engine is going to separate from the body of the machine, so that I can work on the engine in order to remove those threads stuck inside. So you see this nut that I just loosed. After you finish loosening it, you use your screwdriver now and bring out this hook now right here. The shuttle is also stuck inside, and the thread is not allowing the shuttle to come up. So, and this shuttle now is blocking this hook now from coming out. But I believe in your own case might be different. Yours, the shuttle might not be stuck, so it will be easier for you to bring out this hook now. I'm trying to bring out right now. So, but if yours is in this situation where the shuttle is not coming out, just carefully force this hook now to come out. After you have loosed the nut, it will definitely come out. Just watch closely. Be careful, make sure you don't break anything. Just carefully bring out the hook. I'm just going to adjust the engine backward so the hook can come out. As you can see, the hook just fall off, and now the shuttle is out. So that is the first one. Now next, I'm going to remove the thread stuck inside the engine, so the inner carrier will be able to rotate again. As you can see, there's a lot of thread here. The thread might not be this much, you might not even be able to see the thread, but just know that whenever it's this case, it's always thread that is stuck inside the engine. At times it can also be your needle. So you see what I'm doing, I just use a shuttle screwdriver and I'll put it inside one of the holes in this engine, and then I'll be forcing it to move. You just move it back and forth. You move it backward, you move it forward. Slowly, once you feel like the engine is starting to move, you just keep doing it. Don't force it too much. I'm using the screwdriver. I'll fix it inside one of the holes inside the engine. I'll just push it to rotate. You know, this engine, the inner side always rotates. So as you can see, it's getting free. You can also rotate it through the hand wheel of your machine. When you fix this screwdriver inside any of these holes, you turn the head of your machine. It can also help it. As you can see, the engine is slowly rotating, the inner carrier of the engine, but there is still some thread left inside. So I'll make sure I remove the thread completely so the inner carrier can move freely. As you can see, once I put this screwdriver inside the hole, I'll rotate the head and it will turn. So this is how you do it. Just patiently keep doing it like this, and the engine is going to be free. All the thread will fall off. It's getting better, but I can still see a little thread inside. This one here now needs to go out, so the engine will be completely free and flexible to rotate. As you can see, a while ago it couldn't make a move, but now look at how free it is. Look at how free it is. I'm going to remove every date from the engine. So what usually causes thread to get stuck inside the engine like this is that when you are using your industrial machine and there is no fabric on it, if you step on it and the needle goes inside and there is thread inside the eye of the needle, the thread will just go and coil inside the engine like this. So that's what always causes this kind of issue. So make sure whenever there is no fabric on your machine, remove the thread from the eye of the needle, because if you step on it and the thread just goes inside, to go and clutter inside the engine. So the engine of my machine is now free. That is how you get the engine from being stuck. So I'll fix back this hook now so that the engine can connect back with the machine and start working. Just fix it in the same way you took it out. Just position it and you put in the screw. Make sure to tighten it very well with a bigger screwdriver. Now I'm going to move the engine closer to that hook so it's going to connect. Now just position the face like this now, then you lose the knot and then you push it. You see that edge in that hook now, you make sure it goes inside like this. This side of the engine goes inside the edge of that hook, as you can see it. Now when it gets in there, it's going to separate the inner carrier from the outer side, so that one now will be rotating. Now just watch closely as I fixed it. As you can see now, it's moving as it ought to move. There's still little thread inside the engine. Just going to take it out completely. As you can see, the engine is now connected and is working. You see how the engine is slapping at the edge of that hook now. That's how it ought to be. So in case yours got disconnect like this now, but if you didn't move the engine, there's no need making this extra setting. If the hook had left without me moving this engine, I wouldn't have done this extra setting now. So I'm just going to tighten the screw very well so it won't adjust on its own. As you can see, the machine is no longer stiff. Now, this is how to unstiff your industrial machine when it gets stuck with a thread inside the engine. Now, if you have any other issue, probably your machine is no longer picking the thread again, you can check out the videos at the end of this video. Check out the link there I posted. So, thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and share. See you on the next video.